Hello everyone, XRP is at 212, down 2% after yesterday's 7% surge to 225 on ETF hype. But here's the shocker pulling from today's X buzz. Insiders are whispering about a massive institutional FOMO wave, with WisdomTree filing for yet another XRP ETF, right as Ripple's tokenized fund hits record inflows. This isn't a crash. It's the final shakeout before liftoff to $3 by year end. If you're selling now, you're missing the real reason everything's dropping. A deliberate liquidity hunt to scoop up cheap tokens before the explosion. Stick around. I'll break it down with fresh exposts, data, and predictions that could change your portfolio. This is Insider Alpha you won't find elsewhere. Let's dive straight in. XRP is holding 220, support like steel, RSI at 48, curling up from oversold with volume steady at 3.8 billion. Yesterday's ETF cluster, Franklin's XRPZ, Grayscale's GXRP drove 164 million inflows, but today's 39 million outflows. Textbook correction after a 200% monthly run. Think of it as a coiled spring. Compress, then release. On the 4-hour chart, we're in wave C of an ABC pullback per Analyst, a Defend Dark's fresh thread. XRP has increased more than 200% in weeks. C wave critical at 129, but we're way past that in this cycle. Next target 188. Now, adjust for 2025, $3.50. He notes low volume nodes letting price wick down fast, but no breakdown. Whale accumulation up 15% on-chain. CX balances at multi-year lows. No dump pressure. Pulling live from X right now. Orig Humphrey just dropped a video bomb at 1,443 likes. Insane XRP rumor swirling that could create parabolic surge. Reshape altcoin market replies exploding with BlackRock, K, Next, and Tootin. That's the FOMO fuel. Communities debating ETF filings like WisdomTree's today, pushing XRP up 5% intraday before this dip. But wait, what if this drop ties to Segra Crypto's Fib channel update? XRP at FIB 0.236, aligning at 2 break past for double digits at 0.5. He charts 13 to 20 SATA targets with XRP BTC breaking 0.007 for structural confirmation. Shocking stat, if BTC hits 120,000, that's $13 XRP minimum. Teaser, this changes everything. If we close above $225 today, stick with me for the myth bust. Alternating facts. Bitcoin's at 88,000, neutral, but XRP is decoupled positively. Dominance at 4.2%, up 0.3%. Ethereum's flat at 2,940, total cap down 1%. Analogy. XRP is the tortoise in a hare market, pacing for the win. A crypto and morning post nails it. XRP holding key support below retracement, RSI coiling above 50, bullish if BTC pushes up. 260 likes. Replies hyped on SD decision rumors. Volume profile low volume areas above 230. Mean minimal resistance. Price velocity spikes there. What if scenario December rate cut 85% odds unleashes 1.3 trillion liquidity? XRP leads alts with plus 454% YTD. Like all crypto star OG charted, XRP surged plus 220%. $10 in reach. FOMO real each stingrayber warns multi-billions inflows. Panic. Buying public supply like a tsunami. Mini cliffhanger. Ever wonder why bears scream downtrend dominant? The block bulls take XRP swings for 207 before sub 0.50, but bounces back champion. Harsh, but 203 likes show the debate. Replies counter with no way. ETFs change game. OBC echoes buying below $2, no longer option by end, 2024. Baseline $3, by bull run peak, community spirit firing XRP, rewarding holders, fresh alert cryptobelia. Wu Zero's fractal 2017 versus 2024. XRP settled after resistance break, big green candle late November. Video math 5T cap for 88 XRP insane. History says no. Now, countering myths head on. If you're doubting like most, whispering correction to 1.70, let's fix that pain. Myth 1, outflows kill momentum. Fact, Day 2, ETF chop normal. Osprey's XRPR at 100 Musum. Canary's liquidity strongest yet. When cynicals thread, XRP won 163% monthly growth, faces 10% correction but resilience amid fluctuations. Straight News tokenized fund launch closed. Strongest weekly candle since 2021. Your Dell by Signal myth 2 no big players. Stay Subdis and Camden 5 type take. Ignore Wisdom Tree filing today per think once for self. Wisdom Tree files. XRP ETF after 3-year high inflows, ramping 50 million daily projected RSI divergence price wicks, low RSI higher lows, bullish hidden Wagra cryptos, YOLO band, close above 02 XRP BTC for macro range 14, plus at 130,000 BTC pain address this, dips your stack opportunity myth. 3 BTC leads XRP follows down. Frau G counters by Ether ET. HETF, but XRP for Alts Portfolio 23 x 2025. Sylvan Wadier fires back on low predictions with SEC dismiss ETF ISO pass 4 to 5, easy rising excitement rhetorical Q. What if Clarity Act December 9th triggers adoption like Arliss D MasterCard? Ace Captain Millard XRP to $1,000 via tokenized banking scarcity bold but trillions. MC Math checks. Climactic reveal the real reason dropping exchange liquidity hunt. Thin order books wick to grab stops at 218. Paragar Cryptos LVNs. But Order Defender expected correction initial target 188 update 350 posty prediction reclaim 230 weekend 250-50. If BTC 88.5 K Q 1 2026 on filings, Greg's 13 aligned this shakeout setup for 25% search. XRP Army recap wins ETF ecosystem, exploding multi-issue alive billions inflows. Queued technicals, compression intact whales defending XBuzz viral Z. Humphrey's rumor to Agra crypto. Those fibs community unbreakable drops the entry before 3-digit 2026 uplifting close. You're the XRPL Vanguard adoptions here. ETF scaling, feel that spirit, unstoppable. If this blew your mind, smash like for the algorithm. Comment your 2026 target, 5V $10. Subscribe for daily alpha. Share with the crew. Let's moon XRP together. Not financial advice. Die Leo out. Stay strong.